Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys tecno mobile setting, and today video title is how to hide app in tecno mobile. Friends, you want to hide app in your tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to hide app. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So friends, first of all, open your phone master application, and friends, if you turn on phone settings, so friends, you cannot use hide app setting. You can search here hide app setting, you cannot use in your tecno mobile. Friends, you can see hide app setting is not here, so we will cancel it. We will on phone master application app. After on phone master application app, friends, scroll down here, wallet option, friends, tap here your hide app password, enter your password, and guys, your password will start with double hash, enter your plus 4-digit password. So my password is 2580, and enter your security question. Okay, remember security question answer. In case if you forget your hide app password, so you can unlock your hide app setting with security question answer. Okay, so guys, I will enter my security question answer. I will enter my name. After enter name, friends, right tap here. After enter password, you can hide photos, videos, recording. You can hide application if you select here, so you can hide apps. Click here plus icon, friends, you can see no app here. Plus icon, tap here, select your app, which app you want to hide. Example friends, I will select my game app. Confirm. Game app will hide in my tecno mobile after 4 and 5 seconds. Plus icon, tap here, you can select your new app. Confirm option. Facebook will hide in your tecno mobile. Friends, you can see Facebook app is not here in my tecno mobile. Facebook app is not here. App line, friends, you can check here. Facebook app is not here. Game app is not here. So like that friends, you can own your wallet password, and you can hide app, photos, videos, recording. You can hide if you tap here plus tap here, you can hide recording, but friends, I don't have any recordings. If you click here friends videos, so you can add video here. Okay, if you click here pictures, so friends, you can see photos, you can select here and you can hide photos. Application, click here, you can check your hidden apps. You want to add any app, so you can select app and you can hide app in your tecno mobile. Confirm, app will hide in your mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video.